I'm Max, I'm co-founder from the startup Medabsy from Germany, and we want to accelerate machine vision projects. So, and we have a complete new concept for machine vision. So our concept is that we, with our web browser-based software, you can simulate machine vision inspection systems, and you can create and generate synthetic photorealistic images. And this is how it looks like. We have a web browser-based software where you can log in, and then you can easily upload a 3D model, choose a material, and then you can choose from our database where we have, for example, 117 lenses from Kowa and 35 cameras from Kowa. You can insert here, you can insert our illumination, optimize everything, and then with one click, you get a synthetic photorealistic image. And this before you have the hardware. So you save a lot of iterations to get to know, okay, which hardware, which camera, which illumination, which lens do you need. Yeah, the big benefit is, you are accelerating your project, and you can also generate a lot of images which are also pre-leveled to train your AI. This is the second big benefit. So, and our USP, or what we can do really special, is we are working with the Fraunhofer Research Institute. We are using the best or the most innovative deep mathematical models to create the most realistic images like here. So our synthetic images look like real images. So for who is this software? These are for machine vision engineers who develops inspection systems and have to train AI, or also for salespeople who wants to accelerate the sales, because instead of convince your customer which inspection system you need, you can also show in with one laptop a lot of different inspection systems and can convince, okay, use this lens, use this camera, or this setup. So if you want to know more, look our website or our LinkedIn profile. We would be happy if you follow us. And and maybe the next time you can solve your machine vision challenge before you have the hardware and data. Thank you.